What's up guys, in this video I will show you how to enable and disable developer options on your Chromecast with Google TV. So over here is my Chromecast with Google TV, and basically what you want to do is to go over to the settings of your Chromecast with Google TV. Over here, click on the settings icon just like so, and then you just want to scroll down until you get to system. Over here, click on system, and then you want to scroll down until you get to the about option. Over here, click on it. Now you want to just scroll down until you get to Android TV OS builds, just as it is shown over here. Now you want to go ahead and press on the OK button or select button in this particular option for 7 times, which will enable the developer option. So just go ahead and press for 7 times, and as you can see, once it gets to 7, you will now be shown that you are now a developer, as it is shown over here. Now if you go back to the previous option, you will find out that developer options has been turned on our Chromecast with Google TV, just like so. Now to turn off or disable the developer options on your Chromecast with Google TV, you just want to go ahead and click on this button over here, just like so, and now developer options has been disabled on your Chromecast with Google TV. Now you can see that developer options is no longer an option in the system settings of our Chromecast with Google TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.